hope you're having a fantastic day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. If you enjoy watching beauty related videos like reviews and tutorials, hit the button to subscribe. Let's jump into this video. You see in the title, you know exactly what we're gonna be talking about. I'm gonna be reviewing and doing a whole day wear test. Just bear in mind, today's super sunny. I live in Scotland, that doesn't happen often, so I will be sitting outside for sure. So we're gonna see how this b.u.beauty pressed airbrush finish pressed powder will last on my super oily skin. As you can see, I already have base. I use the NYX Can't Stop One Step foundation, as well as the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C1 and Infinite Concealer in C12 for the contour. So really need to set all these products because, as I mentioned, my skin is super oily. I mean, if I could sell this thing, I would be a millionaire. Can you relate to this? By Pores Press Airbrush Finish Press Powder. I heard so many things about this powder. That's why I really wanted to try. I got in a color translucent. I absolutely love a plain black packaging. If you've been following my channel for a while, you would know that I'm a sucker for plain black and white packaging. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Oh, I see we have a mirror, which is always handy, especially on the go. It says translucent, although to me it looks beigey. I don't know what camera transfers through. We're gonna see later if it's really translucent or it adds any color. And then we have powder puff. I'm not really a fan of that kind of powder puffs, although it's good to just press a powder in rather than, you know, smudging around. If you ever use that, you need to press a powder in. So it's kind of good on the go. So I think without any further ado, you should just try this. So I'm using the Real Techniques setting brush. Press the powder on the eye area the most. So I'm gonna set this part the most. I'm gonna go on the eyelid because I have the concealer on top in here, as my eyelids are oily as well. And I'm gonna be applying the eyeshadow later, so I want this to be set. And for the rest of the face, I'm just taking the chunkier brush. This one is Multitask Brush by Real Techniques. So usually I don't use the setting powder all over the face, but today I'm using this because A, it's very sunny outside and it's very hot, so I'll be out in the sun, so my skin will be extra oily. Plus, I don't know where you guys live, but where I live, we still need to wear the face mask once indoors, and I'm gonna be popping to the shop, so I want to prevent the whole smudging thing. Therefore, I'm setting the whole face with powder. But normally I would just go T-zone and on the eyes. To be honest, this feels extremely nice on the skin. Looks nice as well. It does look airbrushed. I'm just looking at the screen because I have a screen on my camera. I don't know you guys if you can see the difference, but me looking at a screen, not even in the mirror, I can see a difference. Like, my skin looks airbrushed. Wow, okay. Majorly impressed, you guys, because I actually wasn't expecting that. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly contour my face so you guys can see the finish look kinda-ish. I'm gonna do my eyes separately, so this video is not super long. For contour, I'm using the Revolution Sculpting Bronzer in Cacao. For the blush, I'm gonna use this palette by itCosmetics. This It Girl or IT Girl. I'm not sure how to pronounce this brand's name. So the blush that I'm using is by Pores Blush in Rosé. And for the highlighter today, I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit Ultimate Glow, and I'm gonna go for the shade called White Sand. Alright, so this is how the makeup looks just now. So I'm gonna finish doing my makeup. I mean, I'm gonna do the eyes and I'll come back to you to show how the finished look looks. And then I'm gonna wear it all day long. As I mentioned, it's early in the morning, it's only 8 in the morning just now. Then I'm gonna wear this all day long, be in the sun, because today is very sunny. And then come back to this to show how it looks after wearing all day. So far, humongous thumbs up from me. Okay, I'll see you in a second. Alright, so makeup is on. This is how it looks just now. For the eyes, actually, I used the Sigma Essentials palette. All I did, I used the contour powder in this glitter thing, and that's it. And for the eyeliner, I did a mistake. I thought I'm taking NYX Epic Ink Liner in black because it was next to each other. I picked up NYX Lift and Snatch eyebrow pencil in espresso, in a darker color. Actually, I did a review for this, but I picked up the wrong color at that moment that I did the review. My actual color is espresso. It is matching me perfectly. I'm wearing this today on my brows actually. So yeah, so I made a mistake and picked up this one instead of the actual eyeliner and did my wings, and I was like, why is the color so brownish? Because of that. But I kind of like this natural-ish look. I think it's very summery. Yeah, so I'm gonna wear this all day long, so we'll see how this powder gonna work with my super oily skin, and if my skin will be still looking airbrushed and my pores not gonna be as pronounced and my skin not gonna be super oily as it normally is. Yeah, so far so looks. My face definitely looks airbrushed. I mean, you guys can see for yourselves. I'm gonna see soon. Bye. And I'm back, guys. Okay, so last time I spoke with you was 8-ish in the morning. Now it's just after 8 in the evening. So basically I was wearing this makeup now for 12 hours. I was spending some time outside today. It was nice and sunny, and I have super oily skin, hence my face looks slightly bit shinier now. But overall, I think this foundation, this pressed powder is amazing. I mean, my skin still looks super airbrushed. It looks like I'm wearing real life filter or something. I just hope you guys are able to see that. Obviously my face looks shinier because I didn't do any touch-ups whatsoever. All I did, I touched up my lippy. I'm wearing today by the way Revolution Pro Rockstar Hydrating Shine Lipstick in Cashmere. So the only thing I did, I touched up lippy just now. Okay, back to this powder. Massive thumbs up from me. I mean, if I could give a million points for this, I would. I don't know why I didn't try this earlier. I know it's not a brand new product, and if you're watching this video you're like, wait, what? Is that a new powder? No, it's not. It's new to me. I never tried this before. I had no idea if it's any good or bad. I've seen other people using it. That's why I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this, you know. Go get yourself one if you haven't tried it, and if you have oily skin and big pronounced pores like I did, because it literally gives you, I just hope you guys are able to see. I'm like coming closer to camera. It literally gives you like a filter. Didn't recommend this one. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. So please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. Have you tried this, or what's your favorite setting powder so I can get my hands on it too, and what you'd like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more review videos, more tutorials? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you very soon. So thanks so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao.